Alright, so boom, I've been saying for years, the simps be getting caught with the illest genjutsus, the ocular jutsus on social media for years. But this time, it's starting to get out of hand. Because I said it was only a matter of time before AI start getting the best of y'all. And lo and behold, I'm scrolling on my Explore page on IG a couple of weeks ago and I come across this.
Alright, so boom. So I'm scrolling on my Explore page and this photo just so happened to pop up. And the first thing I say is this can't be real. Because one, look at the hands. Secondly, ain't no way, right? So I go to the page. Lo and behold, this is an artificial influencer. First and foremost, how the fuck you gonna be an influencer if you're not even a real person? Who are you influencing? How dumb are these motherfuckers? Is this motherfucker the entity? Is this Mission Impossible? What's going on over here? Then, I just thought to myself, with every photo being different, they ain't no way in hell people is falling for this. But go to Shorty page, click on any particular photo. Most recognize this is AI, but there's a percentage of individuals who's over here really believing it's a real person. So I thought to myself, I see Linktree over in Shorty bio. So I just so happened to click on it. Follow on IG, follow on Twitter/X, and exclusive content on Patreon. How you got exclusive content for artificial intelligence created influencers? So I go to the Patreon. Ain't no fucking way. 204 motherfuckers is paying a premium every single month for an artificial intelligence human being. Fam, streets is done, bruh. Streets is done. Motherfuckers is retarded out here. There ain't no way. Whose children are these? There's women roaming the earth for free, but you paying a premium for artificial titties? iRobot coming soon. Y'all motherfuckers is stupid.
Don't be stupid. Do not be stupid. Stop being stupid.
I shouldn't have made the video. Messed around, got 250,000 views in 1 week, and now 8,000 of you motherfuckers went over there to go and follow. Then to make matters worse, 80 and counting of you motherfuckers went and subscribed to the Patreon. What part of the game is this? How people willfully allowing themselves to fall victim to a genjutsu? I ain't never seen no ocular technique like this in my entire life. They not real people. Then you look in the comment section. How? These are real people. Don't get me wrong. You can buy comments on Instagram where you clearly see it's some sort of generated individual who's commenting. But these are real people with families. Here with public profiles with your children over here falling victim to commenting on AI generated posts. Dude over here simping his life away. You even got the page saying let the man drink. I promise you, motherfuckers like this willfully go to a hypnotist in order to be hypnotized so they can live their entire life as an illusion. Maybe it's better allowing yourself to believe this shit is real than actively knowing that it's fake. Because this don't make no sense to me. Last thing I'm gonna say about it. Animated content has always existed, but we knew it was animated from the start. Ain't nobody was sitting here watching hentai or some shit like that, believing that it's real motherfuckers. This is actively telling you it's not real, and somehow you still want to see it. Motherfuckers need Jesus, bruh. Somebody start throwing holy water on these Instagram users.
You know what's crazy? In the midst of recording, the Tesla in front of me got sideswiped by some big ass fucking truck out here in these Manhattan, New York City streets. So I had to relocate because it seemed like they was about to have a whole altercation. All I gotta say is that Tesla driver a better man than me, because there would be no back and forth at that particular point. But one way or another, as you just saw, it seems like now AI is absolutely taking over out here, where you got simps willing to pay a monthly stipend, a monthly premium in order to see computer generated ass or titties. It's very bizarre. To the fellas out there who down bad like this, you can see harlots for free. I don't understand this. Even if you wanted to see some sort of creative set, you can get a human being to do that. Like, this is the lowest of the low, because if it's an actual human being and you're getting caught in a genjutsu, that's one thing. But this Instagram page is willfully telling you, it's out in the open, that it's saying, hey, this is a artificial influencer, and still you got people in the comment section falling for it. And what doesn't make sense is, You have people who follow the page who go out of their way to inform people in the comment section, hey, this isn't a real person. And somehow, motherfuckers is battling saying, no, she replied to me. She must be real. I don't know what's going on, fam. It's getting ridiculous out here. Y'all let me know in the comment section, do you think it's gonna get even more creative and even worse? Furthermore, I didn't mention this before, but you saw how in the second video, a week after I had initially made my reaction, it went up by a few, I think it was about 20, 30, whatever the case may be. It's over 200 plus new patrons that page got. And there is no doubt in my mind that page is being ran by a man. So as far as I'm concerned, it's getting real wicked out here. And everybody who's over there subscribed on the Patreon, y'all gotta put y'all motherfucking heads back down, because that's crazy to me. I'll never understand that. And if you happen to have a friend or family member who just so happen to be subscribed, listen, you might want to vet the people who in your circle, because that's some disgusting, nasty work. That's all I got to say about that.
I understand.
Oh, and P.S., there's way more artificial influences that just so happen to be out on IG, right? Because something told me. Let me take a look in the comment section and see if we have some repeat offenders in the chat. Lo and behold, there was 3 different dudes who followed at least 7 different artificial IG. Mind you, I was on a flight. I had nothing but time on my hands. That's the only reason why I did the deep dive. But my heavens, bro, I'm curious how many Patreons these individuals just so happen to be patrons of. I've said in the past, if you got your kinks, you got your fetishes, that's your own business. Do whatever the hell you want to do. But this is bizarre. You can't tell me it's kind of out of bounds to ask a few questions. Because if you just so happen to have somebody who out here financing fake beings, entities on social media, requesting to see different particular kind of sets in order to get off, y'all don't think that's weird? I don't know. Maybe I'm a hater. Y'all let me know. Am I hating? Go get your money the way you want to go get your money. Spend it on what you want to spend it on. But this ain't weird. It's starting to turn to idiocracy every single day.
What's wrong with you? What's wrong with y'all? You niggas are crazy.
Wait a minute. The NBA regular season's coming to a close and the playoffs is on the horizon. And there's no better way to enjoy basketball than with Underdog Fantasy. Whether that's LeBron James on the fast break with the tomahawk, Zion Williamson off the alley-oop, or Steph Curry with the three-pointer, there's no better way to enjoy basketball than with Underdog Fantasy, because it will match your very first deposit up to $100. So you put in 100, they'll give you 100. You put in 10, they'll give you 10. So don't pump fake into these amazing deals, and make sure you click the link in my description or click the link below. Download the Underdog Fantasy app, use promo code Adonis, ADONIS, and it will match your very first time deposit up to $100, because Underdog is the best place to play. You mean to tell me you watched the entire video but you haven't subscribed? Hit the subscribe button and become a member on Patreon or on YouTube to get access to the Discord. We're waiting for you in the Shadow Realm.
Just do it! Make your dreams come true! Please! Please!
What are you waiting for, huh? Oh my god.